The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to build a very, very simple Java GUI app. As always, these files are available for download using the link provided below in the description. We'll pause for a couple seconds so you can download it, and then we'll get started. All right, so let's get started. So in order to build a Java app, you need to use either AWT or Swing. While AWT was the first Java GUI package, it has not been used in many years. Almost everyone uses Swing. So what we're going to do is we need to import javax.swing. Do import javax.swing. This is going to give us access to all of our Java GUI components that we need to use. Inside of our main, I'm going to create a jFrame. A jFrame is a window that can be displayed. We'll call this jFrame just for simplicity, equals new jFrame. We can say jFrame dot, and then we can access a variety of properties and methods, such as set title, I can also set the size of my window, such as jFrame.setSize, and specifying the height and width, like such. If I want to show this, I'll simply say jFrame.setVisible to true. All right, and if we run this, you notice up comes my application window. I can take this, I can resize it. You notice my title is This is my first GUI app, which we set before. There's a lot of other properties that you might choose and use. This is just a couple of quick examples. Hopefully you found this example helpful for setting up your first GUI window. If so, please give it a like and consider subscribing for future videos on how to get better at programming.